Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. When it comes to UI development, various tools and extensions can enhance productivity, debugging, and overall workflow. Below is a curated list of useful extensions for UI developers, particularly focusing on popular code editors like Visual Studio Code, vscode. I will provide an overview of each extension along with a code example where applicable. 1. Prettier, code formatter. Description * Prettier is an opinionated code formatter that supports many languages, including JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML, and CSS. It helps maintain a consistent code style across your project. Installation *. Search for Prettier, code formatter in the extensions marketplace in VS Code and click Install. Usage *. To format your code with Prettier, you can either use the command palette, Ctrl+Shift+P, and type Format Document or set it to Format on Save. Example * 2. Live Server. Description * Live Server launches a local development server with a live reload feature for static and dynamic pages. It's particularly useful for front-end developers who want to see changes in real time. Installation *. Search for Live Server in the extensions marketplace and install it. Usage *. Right-click on your index.html file and select Open with Live Server. 3. Emmet. Description * Emmet is a powerful plugin for web developers that allows you to use abbreviations to write HTML and CSS faster. Usage *. Type an abbreviation and press the Tab key to expand it. Example *. Type. Press Tab, and it will expand to 4 CSS Peak. Description * CSS Peak allows developers to quickly navigate from HTML elements to their CSS styles and vice versa, enhancing your ability to edit styles efficiently. Installation *. Search for CSS Peak in the extensions marketplace and install it. Usage *. Hold Ctrl and hover over the class name in your HTML file to see the corresponding CSS. 5. Color Highlight. Description * Color Highlight will highlight color codes in your CSS and HTML files, making it easier to visualize colors directly within your code. Installation *. Search for Color Highlight in the extensions marketplace and install it. 6. Debugger for Chrome. Description * This extension allows you to debug your JavaScript code in the Chrome browser directly from VS Code. Installation *. Search for Debugger for Chrome in the extensions marketplace and install it. Usage * 1. Set breakpoints in your JavaScript code. 2. Create a launch.json configuration file for Chrome debugging. 3. Start debugging by selecting your configuration and pressing F5. 7. IntelliSense for CSS class names in HTML. Description * This extension provides intelligent auto-completion for CSS class names in HTML files, making it easier to work with large style sheets. Installation *. Search for IntelliSense for CSS class names in HTML in the extensions marketplace and install it. 8. Path IntelliSense. Description * Path IntelliSense auto-completes file names and paths in your project, saving you time and reducing errors when linking files. Installation *. Search for Path IntelliSense in the extensions marketplace and install it. Conclusion. These extensions can greatly enhance your UI development experience in Visual Studio Code. Each tool brings unique features that streamline workflow, help with debugging, and offer better code management. To get started, simply install the extensions that align with your needs, explore their features, and integrate them into your development process. Happy coding!